Lily and Leo were playing in their sunny garden when they found a tiny surprise. Under a big floppy leaf, a small guest was hiding. "Look," whispered Lily, pointing at a bright green crawler. It was a very small, very wiggly caterpillar. They decided to name their new friend Pip. Pip was a very busy fellow. He spent his whole day nibbling on the tastiest leaves he could find. Crunch, crunch, crunch went his tiny mouth as he ate his breakfast, lunch, and dinner. "He's getting so big," Leo laughed. Every day, Pip grew a little wider and a little longer. He was becoming a plump, fuzzy green balloon. He was growing so fast that he even had to outgrow his old skin. One afternoon, Pip stopped eating. He climbed high up a sturdy garden trellis. Lily watched closely as Pip began to spin a silky button to hold himself up. He looked like he was getting ready for a very long nap. Soon, Pip was covered in a hard, smooth shell. "It's a chrysalis," Leo explained softly. "It's like a magical sleeping bag." Inside the chrysalis, Pip was changing in a very special way. This wonderful change is called metamorphosis. Many days went by. The sun shone brightly and the rain fell gently on the garden, but Pip did not come out. Lily and Leo had to be very patient. They learned that waiting is hard, but nature never hurries. Lily felt a little bit worried. "Is he still in there?" she asked. She leaned in very close to the quiet green shell. It hung perfectly still among the dancing garden flowers, keeping its secret safe inside. Then, one morning, Leo saw a tiny wiggle. Crack! The chrysalis was starting to open. "Lily, come quick!" Leo called out. A pair of folded, wet wings began to peek out into the warm morning air. Out crawled a beautiful butterfly. Lily watched in awe as he slowly pumped his wings. They grew strong and wide, covered in bright orange and black patterns. Pip wasn't a crawler anymore. He was a flyer. With a gentle flap, Pip soared high into the sky. Lily and Leo waved as their friend danced among the blossoms. They knew that the long wait was worth it to see something so beautiful.